Rearloaders. So it's we are in the 2013 F750 with the 13-yard NewWay Viper this morning. It's brisk, between 10 and 15 degrees outside, but had a couple requests to see how the Packer unit on these trucks work. So we're gonna do that here at this stop. I'm kind of out of the way. So again, this is a NewWay. Stock, they don't work the way I'm going to show you, but we've altered this to match our PackTechs and our McNeilus. So here we've got our controls. This is your winch control. These are your slide and your curl sweep blade control, and then this is your tipper control. So the way we have made this work is in, out, out. So in moves the slide, in moves the sweep, right? Out, out. If you have a NewWay stock, the way they work is out, out, in. Okay, it's backwards. Now a McNeilus and a PackTech are in, out, out, and what we've had always run in the past was McNeilus, and we recently got a PackTech. They're set up the same way, where you push them in first and then pull them out for your cycle. NewWays are backwards, and we thought this motion to go like this to start it and then push it in, it was just really strange for us because we were used to doing it the other way. So we switched the hydraulic lines around on the valve and the cylinders to make it match our McNeilus and our PackTech, so that it's right. And what you'll notice is the throttle. So there is a throttle advanced switch right here, but on the NewWays, the throttle only works off of the slide. It does not work off of the curl. Now on a PackTech, a McNeilus, and I'm sure some other bodies, it works off of both controls. With the NewWays, it only works off of that slide control or the throttle switch. That's how you operate a NewWay Packer body that has been altered for the control sequence to match that of a McNeilus or a PackTech. Thanks for watching.